गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. Friends, today we will discuss aldol condensation, and here we are going to learn a super trick. सुपर ट्रिक जान करके आप नाच उठोगे. ओके?
Mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
So, in aldol condensation, first carbon-carbon bond formation takes place. A new carbon-carbon bond forms. And second, alpha-beta trick. Trick is alpha-beta trick. First, let us see statement. When carbonyl compound having at least one alpha hydrogen is heated with dilute sodium hydroxide, beta hydroxy carbonyl compound is formed. Okay? Carbonyl compound means aldehyde and ketone. Let us see two examples. First, it is aldehyde, acetaldehyde, and it is the second molecule of acetaldehyde. Here dilute NaOH is here. This base will abstract this hydrogen, leading to formation of negative ion, and its negative ion will attack here. If negative ion is produced here, it will be carbanion, which is of course nucleophile. That nucleophile will attack here and this bond will break. So simply here you should remember that it is the trick that it is O, this hydrogen will come here, OH, it is H, and this new carbon-carbon bond is formed, CH2, CHO. This H will come here. Okay? It is aldehyde group, it is alpha, it is beta. So, new alpha-beta bond is formed here. New alpha-beta bond is formed. It is beta hydroxy aldehyde, and it is ald, so it is called aldol. It is the first reaction of aldol condensation, and on the basis of name of the product we say the reaction aldol condensation. Friends, second example is it is acetone, and again it is the second molecule of acetone, OH minus. Okay, this carbon gets attached with this H will come here, CH3, CCH3, it is OH, and it is CH2, CO, CH3. It is keto group, it is alpha, it is beta hydroxyketone, it is ketone, it is aldol, and it is ketone, and it is the first reaction. So, on the basis of this aldol, the name of the reaction is aldol condensation. And when at high temperature, friends, at high temperature, these H and OH will combine together, leading to formation of water, and double bond will be here. Means alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde you will get. And so again it is alpha beta tree. New bond is formed. What happens here that happens at alpha beta. Okay, in the similar fashion, if at high temperature, friends, at high temperature, double bond formation takes place. Alpha beta unsaturated ketone, it is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Now we will see mechanism. Step 1. It is acetaldehyde and it is base, dilute NaOH. This base will abstract this hydrogen. It is carbon ion plus water. It is carbon ion and of course it is nucleophile. In first stage, nucleophile is generated. Friends, remember that alpha hydrogen is abstracted, not beta hydrogen. If beta hydrogen is present, if gamma hydrogen is present, no, only alpha hydrogen is abstracted by the base. Why? This is aldehyde group. It has electron withdrawing tendency. It will withdraw electron, leading to production of delta plus charge. So this alpha hydrogen is abstracted by the base. Okay. So in statement I have written that at least one alpha hydrogen should be there. In carbonyl compound, either aldehyde or ketone, at least one alpha hydrogen should be there. In second step, this nucleophile will attack at this carbon. Why? CH2 minus. This is carbonyl carbon, and you know, friends, oxygen is highly electronegative element and it is also attached with carbon with double bond. So oxygen will withdraw the electron pair, shared paired electron from the carbon, leading to positive charge here, delta plus charge here, and so nucleophile will attack frequently on the carbonyl carbon. And so always say you people that nucleophile attacks on carbonyl carbon dhaka dhak. Nucleophile attacks on carbonyl carbon dhaka dhak. So you will get CH2 CHO. Now this is H2O found here. This H2O will give H plus, leading to removal of OH minus, and you will get CH3 OH CH2 CHO. Now at high temperature water is removed and you will get alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. It is aldol. And on heating at high temperature you will get alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. And similar mechanism can be shown in the case of acetone or ketone having. Friend, if one alpha hydrogen is there, aldol condensation will take place, and if two alpha hydrogen is here, the condensation alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde may form if there are two alpha hydrogen. Okay, so the condition of aldol condensation is one alpha hydrogen must be there. Now we will see cross aldol condensation. cross-aldol condensation. It may involve two different aldehydes. Suppose it is acetaldehyde and it is propionaldehyde. Base is here. Suppose here there are two different aldehydes. Two different ketone may also be possible here. Suppose it is acetaldehyde, two different ketone, one aldehyde, one ketone, it is acetaldehyde and it is acetone. Okay? It is formaldehyde and it is acetaldehyde. Okay? All these are examples of cross-aldol condensation. Let us see first. It is acetaldehyde, it is propionaldehyde. So, here there may be 4 products. When 2 molecules of acetaldehyde take part in aldol condensation, you will get 1 product. When 2 molecules of propionaldehyde involved, you will get 1 product. When it will attack on it, means when it acts as a nucleophile, then you will get 1 product. If it will act as a nucleophile, then you will get 1 product. So alpha hydrogen is here and also alpha hydrogen is here. So here you will get 4 products. But I am not interested in those 4 products, but I am interested in major product. So friends, first of all, here see, this carbon is more prone for nucleophilic attack because delta plus charge is here, delta plus charge is also here, but ethyl group will decrease this delta plus. Here only methyl group is here. So quantum of delta plus is greater than quantum of delta plus. So it is more prone to nucleophilic attack. Means hydrogen from here, means this carbon gets converted into nucleophile, negative charge. Okay, so CH3, CHOH, this carbon gets attached here, CH3 here and CHO. You will get this product in major. Here, in the similar fashion, it is more reactive than this. 2 methyl group will pump to decrease the delta plus charge. And here only 1 methyl group is there. So, this carbon is more prone for nucleophilic attack. And in general, we say that acetaldehyde is more reactive than acetone. So, you will get CH3, CHOH. This carbon gets attached with this carbon. Negative charge will be here. So, CH2, COCH3. This is the major product. Here, formaldehyde is more reactive than acetaldehyde. And in second way, we can say that this carbon has more positive charge than this carbon. So, this carbon is more prone to nucleophilic attack. This carbon is more prone. So, HCHOH, CH2, CH, this carbon, it will be negative charge. This carbon will attack here. CHO, it is the major product. Now, we will see Claisen-Escamide reaction. Claisen-Escamide reaction or only Claisen reaction. condensation of aromatic aldehyde with aliphatic aldehyde or ketone having at least 2 alpha hydrogens in presence of base is known as Claisen-Schmidt reaction. Friends, it is also a type of cross-aldol condensation. It is aromatic aldehyde See, it is benzaldehyde. Here, no alpha hydrogen. And here, suppose it is acetaldehyde. It may be acetone. 2 hydrogen of this acetaldehyde and 1 oxygen of this. Friends, it will first get converted into carbanion, that is nucleophile. Then it will attack at this carbon. Means mechanism is just like to aldol condensation. And again I am repeating that it is cross aldol condensation. And you will get directly, first of all, beta hydroxy aldehyde is formed, then water is eliminated, leading to alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. So it is CH double bond. It is double bond O? No, double bond CHO. It is aldehyde group. It is alpha, it is beta. It is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Friends, again I am repeating that it is a type of cross-aldol condensation, Claisen-Schmidt. And here, throughout, we are looking that a new carbon-carbon bond is formed, and that is alpha beta. And if unsaturated bond is formed, that is also alpha beta. So trick is alpha beta. So it is Claisen-Schmidt reaction, or again it is cross-aldol condensation. Now we will see intramolecular aldol condensation. Intramolecular means within the molecule. Double bond O, it is the substrate molecule. Friends, with respect to this, it is alpha. And alpha means alpha hydrogen is here. With respect to this, it is alpha. With respect to this, it is alpha. With respect to this, it is alpha. First of all, in first stage, carbanion is formed. Carbanion is formed. So, here carbanion is not formed. Carbanion is not formed here. But carbanion is formed here or here. Because in intramolecular aldol condensation, you should remember one thing. 5-membered and 6-membered ring is more stable. So, intramolecular aldol condensation will shift in direction that gives 5-membered or 6-membered. If negative charge will be here, suppose in first stage, negative charge will be here, it will attack here leading to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 membered ring. Okay, and you can write in this fashion CH3 COH CH2 CH2 C double bond O CH2. This carbon gets attached with this carbon. It is 5 membered. With respect to this, keto group is senior than hydroxy group. So it is main functional group, and so it is alpha, it is beta. It is beta hydroxy ketone. If water is formed here, double bond will be here. That will be alpha beta. Again it is alpha beta trip. It is the product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 membered. It is the main thing in intramolecular, and it is very, very important. Such type of questions are asked in IIT, NEET, IIT JAM, NET and GET. Let us see now some questions. It is cyclohexanone. It is base. What is the product? Question is this. Friends, this carbon is prone to nucleophilic attack, and so second molecule of this, in second molecule of this, negative charge will be here, which will attack here. Okay, first of all, write this, and this will be now OH. Okay, and here the second molecule of this carbanion double bond will be here, and carbanion is developed here, and that carbanion will attack here. So this will be the product. Okay, now second question is this. This double bond is here, double bond is here, double bond is here. Okay, now it is alpha carbon, it is alpha carbon. With respect to this, it is alpha, it is alpha. And negative charge will not be here. Negative charge will be here or here. So what will be the product? So if negative charge is here, it gets attached with this, and double bond will be, it will be here. It will be the product of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 membered is here. 5 membered. Friends, if you try to extract hydrogen from here, negative charge will be here, and it will get attached with this carbon. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 membered ring is produced. And you know that 5 membered ring or 6 membered ring is more stable than 7 membered ring. So it will be the product. Never negative charge will be here or here. Third question is, suppose two molecules of carbonyl compound are here and it is alkali. Here suppose it is OH, it is double bond O. Then question is it aldol condensation? If yes, write the name of substrate, that is reactant. Friends, here it is alpha beta. It is alpha, it is beta. Alpha beta bond is here and it is beta hydroxyketone, so of course it is aldol condensation. And to know the reactant, this part, perhaps it is acetaldehyde, CH3CH double bond O, and it is acetone, carbon, 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 3 carbon, it is acetone, and carbanion of acetone will attack the carbonyl carbon of acetaldehyde. So the reactant will be acetone and acetaldehyde. Now question number 4, and it is the last one. Suppose it is the reactant and it is base. What will be the product? Of course it is aldol condensation and there is no need to write 2 here. When it is allowed to react with base, what will be the product? Friend, assume second molecule here. First molecule is this double bond O, and second molecule is this. Suppose it is alpha carbon, it is alpha carbon, and negative charge is here and double bond O is here. This negative charge gets attached with this and OH will be here. So it will be the product. It will be the product. And if at high temperature, double bond will be here. Okay, it is the product of this aldol condensation. So friends, now I stop my lecture.